Namaste to dear all student. Now see in lecture number 1 part 2. Now here we are going to continue with the remaining part of the properties of rational number. Here I abbreviated here A, S and D, means here A stands for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now see in lecture 1 part 1 we already learned now how the additions and subtraction property hold true and false for the rational number, right? Now see here, now let us recap. See here, the closure property for addition is here, we write here q plus q is equal to q, but q stands for here the rational number plus rational number, always we are getting here rational number. Now commutative property here we write here means a plus b is equal to b plus a. That properties also hold true for the that property, commutative properties also hold true for the rational number. Now associativity property we write here a plus in bracket b plus c is equal to here a plus b plus c. कुछ नहीं, यहाँ पे उन्होंने क्या किया, सबसे पहले इसमें b को c के साथ में ऐड करने के बाद में टुगेदर उसको ऐड किया a के साथ में, बट वो क्या बोलता है, अगर हमने a और b को ऐड करने के बाद में अगर उसे हमने c के साथ में अगर ऐड किया, क्या वो रिजल्ट इक्वल रहता है क्या? हाँ, यस, वो रिजल्ट भी क्या रहता है, इक्वल रहता है, मींस LHS is equal to RHS रहता है, right? Now if you want any doubt, now see in previous lecture number 1 part 1, now I already proved over there. Now next is their distributive property, means a multiplied by in bracket b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Now one time that a we have to distribute with a b and one time that a we have to distribute with c, that is called as distribution property. But here is at the middle there is a plus sign, then we have to write it down here the plus sign. Now this is the addition. Why this is the addition? Because see, all in the given identities I use here the plus sign. Now same I have to do it for the subtraction. Now while doing it is for the subtraction. Now see q minus q is equal to always q. अगर आप कोई भी रैशनल नंबर में से कोई भी अनदर रैशनल नंबर को सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो आपको क्या मिलने वाला है, रैशनल नंबर. नाउ आफ्टर दैट द कम्यूटेटिव, दिस एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन we already saw. Now commutative property for the subtraction, nothing we have to do here. Now see here a plus b is there, a minus b is not equal to b minus a, right? It means that the commutative property is for subtraction is not hold true, means it is not true. Then associative property means here see a minus, here is plus, here I am going to write it down minus, plus b minus c is not equal to a plus, a minus in bracket b minus c is not equal to here a minus b minus c, means this property is also not hold true for the rational number. Now after that distributive property is there. Now see here a multiplied by in bracket here b plus c is there. I am writing here b minus c because I am writing that property for the subtraction is equal to here a into b minus a into c. It means that this is hold true. Now it's a time to learn the properties for the multiplication. Now see here student, one thing keep in mind. Now if I am writing here a b c, now what is mean by a b c? Here I am writing where now in the above table a comma b comma c are the rational number. Now these all are the rational number, right? Now after that see multiplication means q multiply by q is always we are getting here q, means कोई भी रैशनल नंबर को रैशनल नंबर के साथ में मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता तो आपको क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे, रैशनल नंबर. इट मींस दैट द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी इज आल्सो होल्ड ट्रू फॉर द मल्टीप्लिकेशन. नाउ a multiply by b is equal to b multiply by a, this is also we are getting true. Now after that here see, now next is there associative property. Now see here a multiply by in bracket b multiply by c is equal to here a multiply by b into here c. Now see student, same I am writing here here plus is there, in same a b c are there, only sign got changed. Why? Because it's the subtraction. Same are there, only instead of plus minus I write here multiplication, because the sign is here for, we are studying the properties for multiplication, right? Now after that, see, the distributive property is not applicable for the multiplication, and for division also this property is not applicable. Now right, see again, see the closure property means q divided by q, we are getting here q means कोई भी रैशनल नंबर को रैशनल नंबर के साथ में अगर आप डिवाइड करोगे तो आपको क्या मिलने वाला है, यहाँ पे रैशनल नंबर मिलने वाला है। आप प्रैक्टिकल कर सकते हो, आप कोई भी रैशनल नंबर लो, एक रैशनल नंबर को दूसरे देख लो, जैसे कि 1/2 डिवाइडेड बाय हियर 3/2, right? अगर 1/2 divided by 3/2, 1/2 is a rational number, 3/2 is a rational number, is equal to 1/2 multiplied by 2 upon 3. Now what is mean by 2 upon 3? Reciprocal. 3/2 का जो reciprocal है यहाँ पे 2 upon 3 आ गया, this get cancel here, 1/3. This is also q, means this is also rational number. It means that q divided by q is equal to what we are getting here, q, means rational number divided by rational number, always we are getting rational number. But see next, the commutative property for the division here, a divided by b is not equal to b divided by a, means the commutative property is hold is not true for the division. Then last here remain, that is means the associative property for the division here, a divided by b, sorry, a in bracket b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c, means this property is false. Now these all are the table. Now in that table, this table indicate that the properties of rational number for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now the role of the remaining property is here 1 2 3 4 extra properties are there. That property is also important. Now why that properties are important? Now let us see. While doing the division, I have to take here the means I have to change the, means I have to take here the reciprocal, means numerator goes to denominator and denominator goes to numerator. Instead of division, here is a multiplication, means for that means many more time we have to apply all this property while performing the basic operation, the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of a rational number. Whenever at the time of performing the addition, subtraction, multiplication or basic operation of a rational number, at that time I will tell you how this property we have to apply on a given number. Now while finishing or completing all the properties of rational number, now after that here the most important topic is here that already we learned in property, that is the distributive property of multiplication or addition and subtraction. Now see student, first we are going to learn here the distributive property of multiplication or addition. Now for understanding this topic, whether this is true or false, whether that property is appropriate or not, right or not, for that we have to take one simple example. Now see, again I am taking here a is equal to 9 upon 2, b is equal to here 5 upon 2 and c is equal to here 1/2. Now see, means in that equation, now see this box, that means equation has two parts, that is one is of, this is LHS and this part is here RHS. Now to prove that whether these two are right or wrong, now let us see here LHS is equal to here a multiplied by in bracket b plus c. Now see, while putting the value of ABC, means while putting the value of A, B and C in above expression. Now see here LHS is equal to A means here 9/2 multiply by B means here 5/2 plus C, the value of C is here 1/2 is equal to 9/2 multiplied by in bracket 5 plus 1, because here the denominator are equal, divided by 2, bracket complete, is equal to 9 by 2 multiplied by here 6 upon 2. Now see here 2 ones are, here we are getting 2 3s are, means 27, here we are getting 27 upon 2. Now this is the answer of LHS. Now in same way we have to solve here RHS. Now the see the RHS is here AB plus BC, but students see again we have to replace the value of A, B, C in the given expression. Now see here A is equal to 9 by 2 multiplied by B is equal to 5 by 2 plus again see B, that B is equal to here 5 by 2 multiplied by C, but the value of C is here 1 by 2. We see here 9 5s are, we can write it down 45 upon 2 2s are here 4 plus 5 1s are 5 upon 2 4s are 2 2s are, here we are getting 4, means here 45 plus 5 upon 4 is equal to 50 upon 4. Now while writing 50 upon 4, now let us see here. Now here we are getting 25 upon 2, but we are not getting a final value. Something wrong is going on here. Now see here, see student, here A is required, right? Means here also we have to make correction. This is A, right? Means 5 by A instead of 5 by A. Here is A, means 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 9 by 4. Here is coming 9. After that, here is 54, means here 27 by 2 is equal to RHS, right? Now in that way here 22 upon 7 is equal to RHS, but students see here LHS is equal to, now see this is RHS is equal to 27 upon 2 and LHS is equal to here 27 upon 2. It means that A into B in bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. That statement is true, and this property is called as distributive property of multiplication or addition. Now hence we can say that LHS is equal to RHS. Now hence proof, what we have proved here, A multiplied by in bracket B plus C is equal to AB plus here AC, right? Now LHS is equal to RHS, and hence here hence true. Now this is a complete proof of distributive property of multiplication or addition. Now next see here the distributive property of multiplication or subtraction. Now previously we learned that is for the addition. Now we have to learn this property, we have to prove that property for the subtraction. Now see in subtraction property, A multiplied by in bracket B minus C is equal to A into B, means we can write that directly AB minus here AC. That we have to prove while taking any two rational number, means this is for write down here like as to proof, right? Now see here, consider in last example A is equal to, here we took 9 by 2, B is equal to, here we take 5 by 2, and C is equal to, we took that 1 by 2, right? Now see again, previously I discussed every equation has the two part, that is the LHS, and this part is called as here RHS. Now let us see to explain the LHS is equal to A into in bracket B minus C. A into in bracket B minus C. Now see here the value of A is equal to 9 by 2 multiplied by in bracket 5 by 2 minus C. C means here 1 by 2 bracket complete. Now while writing that, means 9 by 2 by using BODMAS, first we have to solve that bracket, means in bracket 5 minus 1 upon 2, means here 9 by 2 in bracket 4 by 2 bracket complete. Again see this is sign is their multiplication, means 9 for the 36 upon here we are getting 4, right? While solving means that is our LHS. Now this is the value of LHS. For RHS means RHS is equal to see AB minus here AC means hence again same value A B C. Now say here A means here 9 by 2 means 9 by 2 multiplied by here B means here 5 by 2 minus here A, the value of A is again 9 by 2 multiplied by C means here 1 by 2 means C 9 5s are 45 upon 4 minus 9 upon here 4 means here we are getting 36 upon 4 means this is R H S. Now while solving that RHS, now let us observe LHS is equal to 36 upon 4 and RHS is equal to 36 upon 4 and hence you can write it down LHS is equal to RHS. It means that A into in bracket B minus C is equal to AB minus here AC, hence here proof. Now see student, these are the proof. If whether there are such types of two questions, there may be chances to ask examination. Now verify the property distributive property of multiplication or addition. Now see question is such as means verify question number 1, verify distributive property of multiplication over addition and subtraction. Now if suppose this is asked for the subtraction, you can take according to your convenience any value and prove in such a way. Now if suppose they will ask for the addition, now the previous question of this question, you can see you are getting the answer of that both the question. The question first is there, first you have to prove for here addition and second is for the subtraction. Thank you.